guys, welcome back to my channel for today's video. Yes, I'm under here. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have yet another unboxing. I've had this for probably a couple weeks, just haven't had a chance, I can't talk, haven't had a chance to unbox it. And no, it's not a bag, but notice the cute hat I'm wearing. Coach Outlet Cherries hat, you guys. I saw it. I had to grab it. Along with this. Oh my gosh, is this the cutest little thing you've ever seen? And I do have the Rowan coming. Okay. I went ahead and let the cat out of the bag. I couldn't keep the secret. I think it's coming in tonight. And I couldn't wait, because I had to film, but I'm going to piggyback this off the Rowan. How cute will that be? I've always wanted to do that. Always. But you guys, I love the black cherry because I love black and I love cherry. So why wouldn't I like the black cherry collection? There's more stuff I want to. And yes, it's Christmas. And yes, I'm out of control. I have not been a good girl this year at all. At all. So, I said a couple of videos ago that I'm just going out with a bang. There's so many good buys right now. And so when I'm shopping, and I do most of my Christmas shopping online, not all of it, I can't help but pick up a little something for myself. But you guys, how sweet is this? How sweet. It's just so cute. And I was never into the little micro bags like Winnie was. But there's something about these type of little charms that just scream buy me, okay? Because I just think they're so cute. And it's leather and it's, I don't know. I like the threading on this. It looks a little different in person than what I was expecting. Actually, I think it looks even better. So, this hat, you guys, if you like to wear ball caps like I do, pick up this little hat. I've had it on all day, and I love it. Okay, so these are two reveals. I let you in on a little secret about the Rowan that's coming. And I'm going to go ahead and share with you my bag of the day. So this is my soft Speedy that I got in, where did I get this? Oh, Scotland. I got it in Scotland in May for my birthday. You guys, and you can turn it inside out, you know, with the black leather. I've never done that. Look at all my stuff just in there willy-nilly. That's the way I like it, you guys. But I don't use the pouch with the bag. I use them separate. But you guys, this soft Speedy stuff, this is like this soft Louis Vuitton stuff, canvas, I love. Love. So I have this one and I have a soft Speedy. And next year I'm hoping to add, hopefully, the black Empreinte soft Speedy. That's what I'm hoping to add. I'm not going to add a lot of Louis Vuitton bags. There are other things that I want, but I will go ahead and tell you. For 2026, I do want the soft black Speedy. It's a size 30. And I think, well, I'm tempted by the 20s, but I'd rather have that 30 because it's nice and roomy and carries the kitchen sink. Okay, so yeah, this is my bag of the entire week. I love it. I don't have anything on it because I don't think it needs anything. And I had the Coach Cherry charm I never used. I think Dawn bought it from me during a blog sale, but I kind of want the sparkle cherries. I just wish they were a little smaller. But that's just me. Okay, guys, I have an advent calendar. I'm super stoked for this. And it is a beauty advent calendar. And it's that brand Kitsch. I bought some of this Kitsch stuff for Winnie for her birthday. And then I got me a few things. And when I saw this advent calendar, I thought, oh my gosh, that way I can try a lot of their products. Because I've only tried like the bar soap and conditioner and a body wash, and it's all in a bar. And I love it. I really do. And so now I'm going to be opening this, and so we can try all these cool products together. Wait a minute. Before we get started, You guys, I got a very special friend mail. And I am so excited to get this. And this is from a longtime subscriber. And you guys probably know who he is. Daniel in the Antipodes. Antipods? Oh my gosh. Daniel, I'm sorry. I know I said it wrong. Okay. Anyway, you guys, he went on a holiday like no other. And he was so sweet to send me this beautiful card. I'm just so honored that you thought of me, Daniel. And he wrote me a little note, and I'm just going to read it to you guys. I don't think he would mind at all. It says, "Hello, Yota and Keith. Greetings from Rome. Chaotic and brilliant, beautiful and exotic." You're right. You are absolutely right, Daniel. I went to the Vatican Museum today. I loved the Sistine Chapel this time through the whole collection. It was amazing and glorious. Hoping all is good for you. So sweet. I'm going to keep this. It's going on my bulletin board, which is over here. You can't see it. Thank you so much, Daniel. Now the next time you go on a holiday, I am going to be expecting a card from wherever it is you go. But thank you for thinking of me. It really, really brightened my day. All right. So anyway, this is the Kitsch North Pole 12-day Advent calendar. Isn't it pretty? It's kind of a coral and kind of an orange, and I just thought it was so pretty, and this is going to be exciting. So let's go ahead. Let me turn my, okay. So, let's go ahead. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up. And I'm going to do two, because I'm not doing Vlogmas this year. I might do a Vlogmas style video, maybe closer to Christmas, if I can, you guys. It's just been super chaotic around here. So anyway, it opens up like this. And Advent calendars, whether you have a channel or not, they're a really great way to try out products that you wouldn't try out otherwise, and at a pretty good deal. Oh, how pretty. Look how pretty. Oh, I love it. Woo. I love it. It's gorgeous. It's quite the large Advent calendar. If I can still find these, I will link them, because this would be a amazing Christmas gift. If somebody got me this for Christmas, I would absolutely love it. Okay, let's go ahead and pull out drawer number 1 and see what we have. So excited. So it has this pretty little pink tissue paper in there. I love the coral and green and pink colors together. So we're going to open this up and see what we get in drawer number 1. All right, this is scalp and hair oil applicator. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you use it for massaging. Okay, hold on. Let me see. It's an applicator. Do you get something else to put the applicator on? I don't know. But let's open it up and see. So then you take the bottom off. Do you just massage? I'm so confused. Okay. Do you just like massage? I have a hat on. I can't massage. It's an applicator. Okay, so yeah, it's an applicator. And maybe in drawer number 2, the oil will be in there. So it goes with scalp oil. So that would be rad. Let's see if we have some scalp oil. If it's not in drawer number 2, it probably will be somewhere in this calendar. So I think that's really important. I have this scalp massager, like a really big one, and it feels really good. So using oil and massaging your scalp would really help to stimulate your hair follicles. Okay, so drawer number 2 has something super cute. Oh my gosh. It's not scalp oil, but it is this cute, adorable little cherries. It's cherries. So yeah, I'll use that when I'm putting on my makeup or pull my hair back. Wow, this is a really good hair clip. Okay, so far I got an applicator that you screw on the hair oil and give yourself a little treatment. And then this, I love this, you guys. this kitsch hair claw. So, all right. So in the next video, we'll do 2 more. And if I start running out of time, we'll just open a bunch at once. But anyway, how fun. This is so fun because it's something totally new. Okay, guys, I have just this awesome fall and winter find. It's kind of a dupe of a much more expensive brand, and you're going to want to see this. Okay, I'm excited. So I'm going to open this big box, true unboxing, and no, it's not a handbag. I think I already said that. This is something that I'll get a ton of wear out of. Let's go ahead and open this up. Pull the box out of the box. Okay, so I got a pair of boots. And these are some boots that I have, well, this style of boot I've looked at them probably for the last couple years and just never really got them. And then I saw these, the Steve Madden brand, which is much more affordable, and I pulled the trigger. So let me show you the ones I'm talking about. These are really in style right now. You can wear them all the time. You can wear them with just, well, you can wear them with just about anything. Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. Okay. They're like a riding boot. Just a pull-on leather riding boot. Look how pretty. This is right up my alley. I love boots, but I love these because they're so casual. I could even wear these with shorts, like not in the dead of summer, but like in the early spring or early fall. And I mean, you can wear these with anything. They're not too much of a Western vibe. They're just a really cool, casual look. And I love the color of these. So what are they the dupe of? Fry. You know the Fry brand? They're the dupe of the Fry brand, which are over $500. And I'm going to put these or link them below. I think they're in the $200 and something range. So more than half of the Fry boots. And I just don't want to spend that much. But you know what? These are super soft. Oh my goodness. Very soft. And I just was really excited to share them with you. Okay, I'm just going to read this little card for you. It says, this footwear is made with genuine leather, handmade finish. Any color variations or light imperfections are part of the natural beauty of the leather. So they're genuine leather boots for a little over $200. I mean. So I didn't want to pay over $500 for the Fry brand. And I know I do have a few pair of Fry boots, like ankle boots, but I'm super excited about these. I just tried them on. They look great. And if I had something on decent, I would show you what they look like. So trust me, they look great and they fit really well. They're true to size. So I can wear a little footy with them or even a little bit of a thicker sock. That's my haul, except one other thing. Well, 2 other things. It's basically the same thing that I just have to share with you guys. Look at this. Look at this and look at this. These are handmade, you guys. So we have this market, and it's called the Makers Market. And all these artists bring all their beautiful things that they make there, and I've had my work there. Actually, I'm going back after Christmas. But I saw these little watercolor journals, and it has that distressed looking on the side. I have one that I actually bought somewhere, but these are handmade by local artists. Look at that paper. Oh, you guys, and I can take something like this with me when I travel, some pencils and a little small watercolor kit, do some art while I'm traveling. Anyway, I love it. And I love this one. Oh, I couldn't decide. I was like, oh, I love this one. Oh, I love this one. So I thought, hey, why don't I get them both? That's my way of thinking these days, guys. Maybe I can be better next year. I really doubt it, but you know, it's fun. And these will definitely be used. They will be used. All right, you guys, that is my ever so fun haul. Tell me what you think about what I got. And look in the description box below. I will link all the things I can find. I will link the black Cherries Coach collection. You guys need this hat if you like a hat. And the boots and all of this. I can't wait because maybe when Keith comes home today, I'll have my Rowan and I'm going to quickly change out of my bag of the day into this. All right, guys, so that's all I've got for you today. Christmas is fast approaching. Do you guys have your Christmas shopping done? Are you ready? Are you ready for Santa? I'm not, because I don't think he's coming. Anyway. It was great spending time with you guys. Thank you for spending time with me. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Show that algorithm that we here at YotaStyle, that we mean business, that we're a family. Join my fam jam, you guys. Get me to 7,000, please. Please get me to 7,000. Ask everybody you know to subscribe, okay? Just ask them to subscribe. But then they need to watch, because it's not just the subscribers. They need to watch too. But anyway, that would really be cool. All right, I'm going to go. I'm super excited about all this stuff. And thank you so much again. And I will see you guys in a couple of days. Peace.